Alright, we have a secondary mathematics problem. Typically, you will use these concepts here in secondary 2 and onwards. Okay? But it's not beyond even a Sec 1 student can or should be able to understand some of these concepts. Part A, simplify this particular expression, and then part B, hence, without using a calculator, write down the value of this entire expression. Now let's settle part A first. Okay, so we have an expression that goes like this: y squared minus y plus m, y minus m. Okay, now if you're fast, you will know that this is your special products: a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so those year 2 students and onwards, you should know by now that a plus b, a minus b is nothing but a squared minus b squared. Alright, so you have y squared minus, put the square bracket, a squared minus b squared. Alright, so it's not exactly a and b, it's y and m respectively. Of course, if you want, you can even do a rainbow method to expand. Okay, that will eventually give you the same answer. So you should try the rainbow method out as well. So eventually, this will be y squared minus y squared plus m squared. So at the end, for part A, the answer is just m squared. Very nice. Okay, so this is the final answer for part A. And then in part B, right, they say that, oh, hence, without using a calculator, write down this value. Interesting. Part B. Let me do part B at the bottom. I think it's easier to explain in that way. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 0 square minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, this is really a mouthful. Okay, 6693. So how to evaluate this, and basically how do we link up part A and part B? So as you can imagine, there has to be a link because of this word here, hence. Hence means use part A's answer to help you out. Okay, now what we can see here, right, friends, is that it is also like y square. Instead of y square is this whole number square. There is also a minus. There is also a minus here. And then it is like one term here times another term. So if you're using the part A's answer, then you must understand that this y is basically this entire portion here. Alright, so what is the value of y? Y is just equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 0. Okay, so this is the link between part B and part A. Alright, now that's settled. Now and then you minus a certain term times another term. So that is y plus m. Alright, so y plus m will be your first term. Ta-dang! Y minus m will be the second. Let's just focus on the first term first. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 7. And since we know the value of y, right, we can replace this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700 plus m, and everything is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 7. Then we can find this thing called the elusive m. So what is m in this question? Just bring this over. So when that happens, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 07 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. Very clearly, all the numbers are the same except the 7 at the end. So the difference is just 7. So m is just 7. And remember this, friends. This entire portion in part A was simplified to just m squared. So what is the m value for this expression? That is very important because that will give you your final answer. The m value is 7. So this entire thing will be m squared, right? Which is 7 squared. And that is just 49. Now without the use of calculator, we have just used formulas to help us solve this question.